Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's teachings have been summarized in a beautiful verse by one very exalted devotee, Srinath Chakravarti. He was kind of contemporary of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he summarized Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's teachings through one verse. It goes like, Aradha Bhagavan Brojesho Tanai Stadhama Vrindavanam Ramma Kachidupashana Brajavadhu Bargena Jakulpita Srimad Bhagavatam Pramanam Amalam Prema Pumartha Mahan Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhur Matamidam Tatradaro Naparaha. That is Mahaprabhu's teachings. The first consideration is Aradha Bhagavan Brajesho Tanai, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. The original Supreme Personality of Godhead is the son of Nanda Maharaj. From Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's teachings, we are understanding that the original Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna of Vrindavan, is the son of Nanda Maharaj. That is, the original Supreme Personality of Godhead is not the son of Devaki and Vasudeva. That is Vasudev Krishna. Vasudev Krishna is an expansion of the original Krishna. The Supreme Personality of Godhead is Krishna, the son of Nanda Maharaj, Brajesho Tanai. And Stadhama Vrindavanam. His dham, his abode is Vrindavan. And this Supreme Personality of Godhead never leaves Vrindavan. Vrindavanam parittajya kutra kadapi na gacchati. He never leaves Vrindavan. And Ramma Kachidupashana Brajavadhu Bargena Jakulpita. Brajavadhu, the cowherd damsels. The way the cowherd damsels worshipped Krishna, that is the highest form of worship. Now, the consideration is, what is the proof? And he's saying, Praman, or the proof of this statement, is the spotless Puran Srimad Bhagavatam. Srimad Bhagavatam Pramanam Amalam. Amal means spotless. Amalam Puranam. And Prema Pumartha Mahan, to achieve the love for Krishna, is the ultimate goal of life. Pumartha or Purushartha. The meaning of the word Purushartha or Pumartha is the ultimate goal of life, to receive Krishna Prem. And he is saying, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Matamidam. This is the teachings of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This is the conclusion of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's teachings. Tatradaro, accept that wholeheartedly. And napara, there is no need to accept anything else. Because when you get the ultimate, then what's the use of going for anything else? Because that's the highest. Highest means everything else is included in that, not excluded in that. Everything else is there. So that is Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's teachings.